Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. My name is Ryan from Raptech. Today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-wash and detail ng motorcycles. It's been a crazy week and sobrang stress ka sa work mo. There's nothing better than riding your bike on the open road to clear the mind and enjoy some fresh air. Kaya lang, pagkatapos, sobrang dumi na ng bike mo. Washing motorcycle is not an easy task. Compared to cars, motorcycles have different surfaces and finishes, like leather, plastics, painted surfaces, chromes, and crinkled engine finishes like most Harley-Davidson bikes. So we gotta be careful in which product to use, and a lot of effort and of course patience. I'll show you the personal steps that I do and the secrets that I use para ganito kalinis ang mga motorcycles nyo. Perfect! Before I start, I want to make sure na hindi mainit yung motor para hindi ito matuyuan ng tubig and mag-cause ng water stains. Because we hate water stains. By the way, we made a separate video regarding water stains, so just click the link somewhere here. So let's go! Step 1 is water spray. Tanggalin muna natin ang majority ng mga dirt and grime using a pressure washer if you have one. Step 2. Spray degreaser or all-purpose cleaner sa mga parts like the engine, wheels and tires, or sa mga parts na medyo madumi. And then, foam. Let it dwell para lumambot yung mga dirt and grime. And madaling tanggalin. Step 3. Rinse well using a pressure washer to remove most of the stubborn dirt and grime. As you can see, majority ng dumi is halos natatanggal na sa step na ito. Mas less na yung swirls na makukuha natin when we do a contact wash. Step 4. The contact wash. Ito na yung medyo madugo na part. Ito yung mga tools and products na gagamitin natin. 2 buckets. One with clean water and one with car shampoo, or in this case, bike shampoo. A couple of microfiber wash mitts, detailing brushes, wheel and tire cleaners, degreaser, an iron remover, and one of my secret sauce, magic eraser. This, ladies and gentlemen, is an abrasive foam. Very effective in removing dirt. Ito ang isa sa mga tool na hindi ako pwede mawalan sa shop. Wow! Sobrang daming gamit nito and I think I should make a separate video on how to use this. Sa contact wash process, ang una kong ginagawa is I use the detailing brush. Agitate ko yung mga singit-singit, like if you look at the engine, medyo ang daming parts na ang hirap abutin ng kamay or ng wash mitt, ano. So, spray lang ako ng degreaser. I use Meguiar's, by the way, super degreaser. This part right here, crinkled finish yan. So, medyo mahirap yan. Diyan ko ginagamit yung magic eraser, yung foam na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Just simply spray some degreaser on the surface and then scrub it in a circular motion. Majority ng dumi matatanggal na yan. I promise it's really, really effective. By the way, using these products are optional. An acid-based chemical, which is ito, wheel brightener ng Meguiar's. This is a professional grade product, so I don't think na mabibili nyo ito sa any store. For my wheels, hindi ko na kailangan kasi wala naman siya mga stubborn grime. So, kasi nga, every time na naguhugas ako, maayos yung proseso na ginagawa ko. So, I normally scrub them with detailing brush aside from using a wash mitt. Ito namang iron remover, this will remove yung mga brake dust. Okay, so magandang gamitin. Optional still, but you know, it's a good thing na meron. And then of course, wash mitt ko na lang yung mga painted parts. Like that. And then of course, yung 2 bucket is pag madumi na yung wash mitt, binabanlawan ko dun sa bucket na may tubig, and then sausaw ko naman uli doon sa may sabon. Moving on to step 5. Rinse with pressure washer. Mabilisang banlaw lang para matanggal ang car shampoo and degreaser. Step 6. Another secret sauce again, guys, and I never wash my bike without it. I rinse. King ina, banlaw na naman. Rinse with the ionized water, or if you want a cheaper alternative, distilled water. Not mineral water, but distilled water. Spray mo lang sa buong bike mo, lalo na yung mga singit-singit na parts like sa engine area, wirings and cables, of course sa painted parts, sa wheels, sa mga parts na hindi ko matutuyo ng maayos. The reason behind this step is to prevent water stains. Kasi if you look at the engine part, ang hirap tuyuin yan. And for sure, mag-iiwan yan ng tubig. Mga droplets, yan yung namumuti. Pero kung babanlawan natin ng distilled water, okay lang siyang matuyo kasi wala namang minerals in distilled water eh. Unlike sa tubig ng gripo, maraming minerals like chlorine, calcium, and kung ano-ano pa. Step 7. The step is blow dry. Using an air compressor is one of the best tools to use to dry your bikes. Or a leaf blower. Actually, leaf blower mahal din eh. Hipan nyo na lang. Step 8 and the final step. Let's use detailing spray on the painted parts para matanggal natin yung mga minerals and it will not cause water stains. Spray mo lang sa towel, never spray directly on the bike para ma-prevent natin yung overspray, and just simply wipe the painted surface. Although gumamit na tayo ng distilled water, maganda pa rin gawin tong proseso na to kasi tinatanggal niya rin yung mga ibang contaminants na hindi natanggal nung nag-contact wash tayo or nung gumamit tayo ng wash mitt. Plus, it also adds a nice finish. And guys, please don't use any tire dressing sa tires. It's not safe. Baka madulas kayo niyan. Hindi na pwede banking dun sa malalaki niyan. Hindi ko rin recommended maglagay ng any dressing sa engine. Just keep it clean. That's it. We have come to the end of the video. I hope meron kayong natutunan. And if you think may kulang sa steps na ginawa ko or if you have a better approach, please let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Or if you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. Click it twice. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.